Welcome to Smart Education. This is Anjali here. Today we are going to practice class 10th quadratic equation. Remaining question of practice set 2.2 of 10th standard. So question is given, solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. So equation is given 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. This is our equation. As you can see, we have to first multiply first term with third one. So when we do, we'll get 6. And we have to split the middle term. It is given 2 root 6x. And we got 6 here. As you know, 6 means we can take 6. 1s are 6. But after taking this, we are not going to get 2 root 6. So what we have to do? We have to take, for example, how we are taking 2 root equal to 2, correct? Just like we have to take here root 6. When we multiply, we will get what? 6. And for writing, we can write 2 root 6. I hope you are getting me. Now you can write here. This will come in middle term. So first we'll write 3x square. Got it? And the sign we have to check. If here plus sign is there, whatever sign of this one will come to both minus and minus. Minus nothing but plus. So we'll take minus 6x minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Got it? Now next step is, as you can see, we are having 3x square. Even for 3 we can write root 3x and 6. 3 2s are what? 3 2s are what? 3 2s are 2 3s are. We'll get 6. We can write this in root form. So first we are going to write here. See, we are having common, that is 3, root 3. So we'll take root 3 here. Root 3x. Inside the bracket, again we are going to take root 3x. Again minus 2 3s are 6. So we're going to take root 2 here. I hope you are getting me. Now in between minus sign, again root 2 will come. The same bracket is going to repeat here. Root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Again root 3x is equal to root 2, or root 3x is equal to root 2, because when this root 2 will come this side, the sign will change. Now again x is equal to root 2 upon root 3, or x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. Therefore root 2 upon root 3 and root 2 upon root 3 is a roots of given quadratic equation. So next equation is given 2m in bracket m minus 24 equal to 50. First we have to write this in standard form, just like ax square minus bx. Equation is 2m in bracket m minus 24 equal to 50. First we have to write this in standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So first we are going to write this. Multiply 2m, m into m is m square, minus 24 2s are, it will be 48, again equal to 50. See, it's not came in the form. Again we have to do what? 2m square minus 48. This 50 will come this side. The sign will change. 50 minus 50 equal to 0. As you can see, again we have to do what? We have to multiply first term with the third term. Then we'll get 100. We have to split the middle term now in such a way that it should come 48. So first we'll take 50 to the 100 and 50. Here minus is there. So minus 2 is 50. I hope you are getting me. And now we have to put the sign first. If here minus sign is there, whatever the next sign, we have to put in the big number. And in between the opposite of it. So plus will come. So minus 50 plus 2. I hope you are getting me. Now we have to split the middle term with this. We are going to write 2m square minus 50m plus 2 minus 50 equal to 0. Okay, m will come. I forgot to write. So 2m minus 50 equal to 0. Now we have to write this in bracket. So what we are having, 2m square means that is 2 mm. Next one is we are having 50. So we can write 225 is a 50. Okay. So first we will take the common, that is 2m. Again the inside another m will come, minus we are having 50 here and we are having 2 here. 225 is a 50. I hope you are getting me. And then plus 2. Again the same bracket will repeat. M minus 25 equal to 0. Now here 2m plus 2 m minus 25 equal to 0. Next step, now here again we are going to write 2m plus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 25 equal to 0. Again m is equal to, here it will come 2 upon 2. Got it? So here minus sign will come because sign going to change afterwards, or m is equal to 25 is equal to 0. Here we can see 2 is there, so we'll cut here. Here minus 1 will come. Okay. Now we have to write here. Therefore minus 1 and 25 is a roots of given quadratic equation. I hope you understood how to factorize the quadratic equation. The equation is 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. This is our equation. Now here, as you can see, it is not in standard form. Here we are going to use a formula of a square minus b square. You know that a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. So first we will bring this in this form. So I am going to write here, if you see, we are having 25m square and 25, we can write 5m square. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Again we are having here again 9 is there, so we can take 3 square, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 0. Now we got this in this form. We are going to write 5m plus 3, 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. I hope you understood. We have to factorize this. We got the factor of this equation. Now we are going to write here 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now m is equal to 3 upon 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Okay, here minus sign is there, so it will come plus here. Here plus sign is there, here minus will come. So therefore minus 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is a root of given quadratic equation. Okay, if you follow the step, it is very easy sum. Next equation is given 7m square equal to 21m. Here also we have to factorize in such a way. First we have to see it is not in standard form. So first what we will write, it's 7 and we have to find out the common factor. So first 7m square minus 21m equal to 0. We have to write this. Again, if you can see, one common thing we can see here, 21. If you see 7 3s is what? 21. So we can take 7 as a common and inside we can take m minus 3 equal to 0. 7m square, 7 3s are 21. I hope you are getting me. Now here we can write 7m m minus 3 is equal to 0. We got the factor. Now we will write here 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now when it will come this side, it will become 0. So m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 3. The negative will become positive. I hope you are getting me. Therefore 0 and 3 is roots of given quadratic equation. Now we are going to solve last question, 12th one. Now last question, 12th one is m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Here also we are going to use this a square minus b square formula in nothing but a plus b and a minus b. So first we are going to see here m is common, m square is there, 11. It's a prime number, it will not come in any table. It come in itself table, that is 11. So what we are going to do, as you know, when we take root 2, we get 2, right? The same thing we'll do with here. 11 root is nothing but 11 itself. So we are going to write here m square, okay, minus root 11 square equal to 0. After this we got m plus root 11 m minus root 11 is equal to 0, this form. So we got the factor of it. Now we are going to write m plus 11 equal to 0 or m minus 11 equal to 0. M is equal to minus 11, sign will change, or m is equal to minus root 11 or m is equal to root 11. I hope you are getting me. Now therefore minus root 11 and root 11 is roots of given quadratic equation. So we have factorized the quadratic equation in practice set 2.2. I hope you understood each step. Please practice it and like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Smart Education Maharashtra. Thank you.